His love endures forever.
Psalm 136, which was used at significant times in the history of God's people, has a simple, beautiful, all-important reminder about God's character after every single line.
His love endures forever.
Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good.
His love endures forever.
Give thanks to the God of gods.
His love endures forever.
Give thanks to the Lord of lords.
God's love endures forever.
To him who alone does great wonders.
His love endures forever.
Who by his understanding made the heavens.
His love endures forever.
Who spread out the earth upon the waters.
His love endures forever.
Who made the great lights.
His love endures forever.
The sun to govern the day.
His love endures forever.
The moon and stars to govern the night.
His love endures forever.
To him who provided all that we needed.
His love endures forever.
And brought us together in our time of need.
His love endures forever.
Who gave me the gifts of time and rest.
His love endures forever.
To him who fights my battles for me.
His love endures forever.
Who spoke to me through the Bible.
His love endures forever.
To him who is my anchor through the storm.
His love endures forever.
Who is my Father.
His love endures forever.
Who provided me with a new home.
His love endures forever.
Who gave me sleep and rest.
His love endures forever.
Who gave me opportunities to pray for others.
His love endures forever.
And gave me peace beyond understanding.
His love endures forever.
Who revealed himself through his beautiful creation.
His love endures forever.
And gave us encouragement, strength and love through WhatsApp.
His love endures forever.
He remembered us in our low estate.
Love endures forever.
And freed us from our enemies.
His love endures forever.
He gives food to every creature.
His love endures forever.
Give thanks to the God of heaven.
His love endures forever.
His love endures forever.
Let God's people shout.
His love endures forever.
Let the family of Aaron the priest shout.
His love endures forever.
Let every true worshipper of the Lord shout.
His love endures forever.
His love endures forever.